Welcome. In this video I am with the Redmi Note 12 and I'm gonna show you how camera pro mode works in this smartphone. So when we are in the camera application, we have to smoothly move for the pro mode. It will be located on the left side. First of all, I will recommend you to click on the information icon and read instruction for each parameter. Right now I'm gonna quickly show you the preview how you can adjust these parameters. First, we can find white balance with automatic presets and manual adjustment. Next, we can find focus level, basically focus range. So when I set it up like that, the phone will take focus on the objects that are close to the lens, but when I'm gonna set it up like that, this button is out of the focus. Here we can also switch shutter speed. Next, we can find ISO level. That's the exposure compensation, the only parameter that we can only adjust manually. And we can also switch between the lenses. When you go right here, we can also find other parameters, like for example the saturation, contrast, and sharpness. In this place, we can change matrix metering. We can enable 50 megapixel mode or even add filters. When you click in this place, you can enable the flashlight. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.